Imagine if you can add fun and interactive features to your Squarespace website. For example, an online virtual photo booth where users can snap pictures of themselves and download that as a keepsake. Or a 3D global locator like this one. It can also be a sketch canvas where users can draw anything and download it. What's great is they are safe and compatible to be added to any Squarespace website, like this quiz, which doesn't require any app or any ongoing costs. More so, designers and clients can easily edit the properties of these features using this visual editor. The way this works is by leveraging a game-changing feature of Claude called skills. Skills are pre-packaged instructions for specialized tasks. So what I did is to create a specific skill just for creating fun and interactive features that are compatible and safe to add to any Squarespace site. All we need to do is click the Customize tab in the side menu. Then under Skills, we simply upload the skill file. Once uploaded, we may now use the skill for creating these features. So we'll start typing / SQSP vibe feature. And from here, we can simply describe what we want to be added to our Squarespace website. For example, if I'd like to add a build your own package feature such that customers can estimate the cost of particular services, the prompt can be as simple as this because the skill is already pre-packaged with instructions. Once we initiate this, our skill will come up with some questions. Relevant questions, we may answer them in detail. In my case, I created a mockup in Figma, and I can simply take a screenshot of this. So I'll answer these questions concisely and also upload our mockup from Figma. Then it will start creating the artifact right here, just a preview of what our feature would look like. You may prompt further to make any changes, and we can now add it to our Squarespace website. And what's great is it's also responsive to any global changes. For example, if we wish to change the color of the background, this responds accordingly. Then if you wish to have an option for your clients to be able to edit the details of this feature even after project handoff, then we can simply prompt this to add a visual editor that allows us to change the texts, hourly rate, locations, or other properties that you wish. It will then come up with an updated code with the visual editor. Once we add the updated code, we'll now have access to this visual editor settings that gives us access to these properties. So for example, I can make changes to the labels, and these changes will be reflected accordingly. There's so many more features that we can achieve using this method, like this 3D global store, or this interactive drawing canvas, or even an online photo booth. I share